Hi y'all, Shimmer by Sophia back again with another video. Today we're gonna do a little bit of a different video. As you can see by the title, it's been a very eventful week and we'll get into that later on in the video. But right now it's coffee time with Mama, right Mom? All right, I'll get back to y'all later. Hey y'all, back at it. It's so cold outside. Like, if you live in Ohio, you know, but like, yeah, it sucks. So like, I only just love my clubhouse because they have a freaking coffee machine and it makes all these cute drinks that I can't make in my coffee machine up in my apartment. But you know, a little walk never hurt nobody. I'm gonna go pump some iron and get my coffee, start my day right. You know the vibes. I'm gonna try and film some while I'm in the gym, but if there's people in here, I don't want to be nervous. What should I get? Vanilla mocha coffee or vanilla chino? Medium. Regular. Go. Oh my god, it's even Starbucks, guys. You know, I had to represent. Sponsor me, please. I spend enough. Oh, it picked for me. Yes. I love it here. Post-workout, feeling great. I feel like my old track self. Honestly. Are you serious? Of course my door's locked. Oh. Nothing, I'm recording. Successful workout. You know the vibes. Getting into my inner track self, as always. Once a runner, always a runner. Period. If you know, if you know. We'll be back with a makeup get ready with me after I get a shower. I'm gonna get myself looking together and I'm gonna put this part in fast motion because nobody got time for that.
Got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Alright, so this is my finished look. I just did a pink cut crease little thing, and I'm gonna take my hair out soon. me and my friend Bree, you know, my girl, we're about to go get some Starbucks and run some errands. So I'm gonna make sure that's okay with her, and then I'll see you later. Bye. Can we talk about this lighting? Cause sheesh. Guys, I'm trying to leave my hair in these braids for as long as possible because I think I'm going out tonight. We'll get into why I'm single later. You guys are going to be weak. Honestly, it's been a very eventful week. But God's on my side. When I got myself and my girls, we gonna be up, and that's all I care about, period. All right, so off to my Starbucks date with Bree. You guys are gonna love her. She has the greatest energy. Okay, well, I'll see y'all later. Guys, it's who you thought it was.
Definitely, probably.
My favorite Oh,
Stop it.
we're gonna have to bleep that. It's okay. It's
Skin looks really beautiful.
Oh God, why do we look so beautiful?
That's not beautiful.
You're beautiful.
Stop. You're beautiful.
This is the only picture where I want a man. Like the honest. Like what? This is the only picture I'm killed. Guys, we're at Starbucks. Bree! Look at this lighting.
Oh, hi guys.
Guys, we're at our local Starbucks.
Those roses are pretty. I might buy me some.
Oh yes, we gonna buy you some of them roses. That's all you, sis. Starbucks for life, ayy. It's a video, got your asses.
Oh, damn.
And I mean, like dead as frick. So, this past week, I got in a car accident, crashed my 2021 car I just bought. To not say the least, my parents were so mad at me. And the next night, my ex-boyfriend of over a year broke up with me. It was a crazy 2 days, to say the least, but I was sad for a total of 5 hours. Not to rub it in or anything, but I'm just telling you, queens, that I promise you God has a plan, and people come in and out of your life for a reason, and do not ever regret anything in life. I swear, don't ever regret anything in life, because I swear once one door opens, another one is gonna open too. Like, God works in mysterious ways, and I just can't wait for it to unravel for me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and tune in next time for my next video. Love you guys!